stop what you're doing right now and listen to my story. Bro, I remember when I was 14, 15, as you may know. I have told you this story many other times, but I used to scroll every day. I just discovered TikTok, Instagram. I just had my first Instagram stories, my first TikTok like posts, and I lost my attention span slowly from there. But once I found out about meditation, presence, being in the zone and being in the flow and not getting distracted by anything in your life, my whole life changed, and now I'm teaching you this mindset of mine, and that is to meditate every day. Because, man, if you meditate every day, you will see the changes. There are so many guys on self-improvement, so many junkies that think that, oh bro, meditation doesn't work for me, it doesn't do anything, I just spent 5 minutes thinking about anything. Bro, let me teach you the way to meditate, the real way to meditate, that's explained by scientists, by other higher value guys on self-improvement. So let me explain this thing. So you sit like this, put your hand like this in your like lower area, you close your eyes and you just focus on your breath or on one point closer to your nose. So you focus on your like nasal hole or other things like your lips, your anything, just focus on one thing. I focus on my breath because it's easier, and just try to not think about anything and to just be present in the moment. Be aware of anything that you can hear, like little sounds. Do not get startled by any other sounds. So just focus on your breath for as long as you can. Once you lose your focus, because this is a point that every guy says, oh bro, I lost my focus, I'm not good at this, I'm never going to do it again. Bro, shut the fuck up, listen to me. Go back to focusing on your breath, because yes, the point of meditation is to lose focus, because you have fucking consumed brainless content that doesn't give you any benefits, like shorts, because shorts, reels, TikToks, other types of bullshit content make you do like the opposite effect of meditation. So they make you unpresent, lose your attention span, and more retarded. They also can give you ADHD in the long run. So you have been unmeditating, imagine this, you have been doing the opposite the opposite work of meditation for over 1 year maybe. I have done this, so you have also too, maybe. So imagine this, your attention span has been destroyed for so long, it cannot be improved in 10 meditation sessions of 1 minute or 5 minutes. You have to do like 1 month of this work to do. And I know it's hard, and you maybe say, bro, I do not have 1 month to meditate. Yes, you have. You do not work 10, 12 hours a day and you cannot meditate. Bro, I can meditate at school, you can meditate at school. I know some guys, one of my mentors told me this. I know some guys that meditate at school and no one gives a fuck. Go in the fucking bedroom and meditate. Go, I don't know, outside, sit in your class and meditate. Slowly. You do not need any apps, any bullshit things like that, because bro, they just make you listen to a guy that yaps on about, yeah, feel your knee, feel your this, feel that, feel the rain, feel the wine, sorry. And no one cares about that, those things. Sometimes you can do that if you like to have a guy yapping to you and constantly maybe getting your attention away from the meditation. So just get your clock app right now, click on the clock app on your phone. You have an iPhone or Android or your PC, you can also meditate on your PC if you want, or get the timer app. Yes, get the timer app. Set the timer for 1 minute today, 3 minutes in 3 days from now on, and 5 minutes in 2 weeks from now, and you'll see the changes. You'll see that you can talk to people without feeling retarded. You can start conversations way more. Bro, I used to never like be able to start a conversation with someone like I am now doing. So I didn't know anything to talk to them about. I was just consuming bullshit content, brain rot, skipping these things and cringe ass bullshit content that you may know about them. So you become unretarded, you de-retardize yourself. I know that's weird, but you become a real man. You become a real person. You stop living like a subhuman. You become more mindful of your present. You are more alert when you need to. So let's say something bad happens, there is an attack in your school, or there is someone trying to come after you. You'll become more present and get the reaction faster. Imagine the guy that has been scrolling on TikTok for all his life. His attention span is destroyed. You maybe know him, you maybe are friends with him. Imagine that guy, what will he do when there's an immediate threat to his life? There's a guy coming out to him with a knife. He will have, let's say, 2, 3, 4 seconds less to react than you. You will react faster than him, and you will escape that situation. You will be able to resolve any problems faster. You'll be able to concentrate, because that's what we want on self-improvement, is to concentrate on the task at hand, not on the future like him, nor not to the past, because so many people focus on that. But the present is all we have. We do not know the future. Maybe God knows it, if there is a God out there. Maybe, I don't know who knows it, but I certainly do not know my future. And maybe you do, but that's you. So be careful with this. Stop consuming brainless content, like I've said. Don't end up like the guys on Instagram Reels. I have a video about that on my channel. So also subscribe and join our tribe, because I'm going to give you more free value, good videos like this, where I teach you, like, bro, no one told me the real way to meditate until 2 years ago or 1 year ago. And it changed my life forever, bro, after I know this. After I knew this. All the guys on self-improvement, all the self-improvement YouTubers were telling me to just try to meditate for 5 minutes, do not make a sound, do not get startled, and yes, that's it. And to use bullshit apps. I'm not going to give you their names because they are bullshit, and you know that. And sometimes they are trying to make money off you. There's one that doesn't make money from you, but that's also bullshit, because it doesn't have like a normal meditation, no sounds, or maybe just a little bit of rain sound or wind sound, and you just stay like this, meditate. No, they have like guys yapping, saying that today is beautiful. Shut your bitches up, I'm trying to meditate. I need silence. You cannot meditate in loud noises, so be aware of that, because so many people try to meditate in fucking loud places. Yes, I told you about the school bathroom, but that's a fucking quiet place. Sometimes it's quiet, sometimes it's not. So be aware of that. What can I tell you about meditation? It will also make you, this is a huge change to your life, will give you a huge change in your life, because it gave me, maybe it will give you, and I'm sure about that. So do not listen to all the junkies that tell you otherwise. Meditation will make you stop eating sugar, because it will give you more power to resist the cravings, or willpower. It will increase your willpower slowly, because you'll feel present and you'll be able to choose rationally if you want to eat sugar or if you want to eat the bad junk food. So be aware of that benefit. There are some retarded guys on YouTube that say it gives you higher depression, higher anxiety, you are more likely to have anxiety attack of it, bro. There are like 5 studies, or not even 5 studies, there are like 2-3 studies that say that. And those are made by retarded corporation and retarded doctors. Fuck them doctors. Fuck them doctor, bro. Like, real. Do what you like. If you see that meditation gives you benefit, not in one session, because it will not give you one session, because imagine you have scrolled for over 10 years, you lose your attention span, you are now trying to get it. It's like going to the gym. You have ate retarded food for over 5 years, let's say, and now you are trying to see results in 1 day of gym. You cannot get results like that. So meditate for 1 month and see the results then, not meditate 1-2 days and then stop caring about it. So subscribe to my channel. At 100 subscribers, I will make a new community on skool.com, skool.com, where I'll give you free value in exchange for you being subscribed to my channel and appreciating my content. If you still have doubts about meditating, just remember that it's not a normal practice, bro. There are some studies and some people that say over 80% of today's successful people, not the rap guys, not the fucking social media stars, the real successful people who have completely changed their lives into the better and are not rapping about killing people, they all meditate. So over 80% of those people meditate or have a mindfulness practice, like, I don't know, going to the sauna or other things that make you more mindful. So be aware of that. That's a huge change that you can make right now, today. And bro, I cannot stress this enough. I cannot tell you enough things about meditation. I could make like a video of 1 hour of how it changed my life. But I just want to not overwhelm you and just tell you the easiest thing that you can do. Start meditating today. Make it in a habit. Get your clock timer and meditate every day. So my name is Kalin. Hack mission is to spread the message that there is a hack to everything in life. Till the next time, hack your way closer to perfection, and remember that we are a tribe of young men trying to hack our lives closer to perfection. I once again said that my name is Kalin Hex, but I'm now called Kalin Unchanged because Hex is like a weird name, because I do not hack anything. I just am unchanged, so I want to change your life like I changed mine. So see you in the next video and take care of yourself. Start meditating today. It cannot bring you any harm.